do you think of a big boy seat bath? What do you think of the big boy seat bath? What do you think of it? Do you want to give him a ducky or something?
He's just cold, isn't he? There you go, buddy.
Big boy
Try to
seat
keep the water coming, my little boy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's keep that water coming.
Hey, baby. Hey, Andy. Hey, Andy. Andy. Likes the pouring water.
It's the best thing ever.
Sorry, Daddy.
How does it feel on there? Oh, it feels pretty good. We could do a little warmer, I think.
Hi, baby. Hi. 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 How are you?